If the grid goes down, your new 2026 pickup instantly becomes an $80,000 brick. Modern trucks are packed with fragile computers that will fail completely during an EMP or major power collapse, leaving your family stranded. But master mechanics are quietly hoarding a specific group of older, purely mechanical trucks. These analog workhorses run without a single microchip, saving you thousands in repairs today while ensuring you survive tomorrow. We are exposing the top 5 no-computer trucks you must buy before they are gone. Keep watching until the end, because the #1 truck on this list is the ultimate survival machine mechanics absolutely refuse to sell.
Coming in at number 5, the 1979 to 1985 Toyota pickup. Back in the days when trucks were actually built to work instead of just looking pretty at the local mall, this little import earned a legendary, indestructible reputation. Today, American buyers are spending north of $60,000 on modern midsize trucks that completely shut down if a single plastic sensor fails. It is a highly frustrating reality. But 4 decades ago, the engineering philosophy was entirely different. The secret weapon hiding under the hood of this classic rig is the universally respected 22R 4-cylinder engine. Notice we are talking strictly about the 22R, not the later 22RE. That single letter makes absolutely all the difference in a grid-down survival scenario. The standard 22R relies entirely on a simple mechanical carburetor. There is absolutely no electronic fuel injection system to short out during a massive electromagnetic pulse or power grid failure. This robust engine block is thick cast iron. It uses a heavy-duty timing chain instead of a weak rubber belt. It is pure, unfiltered mechanical engineering from a golden era of manufacturing. You can literally fix almost any problem on this motor with a basic set of fragile computer modules just to crank over. This classic Toyota only needs spark, air, and fuel. In harsh global conflict zones where there are absolutely no paved roads and 0 mechanic shops, this exact analog chassis is still the absolute #1 choice for raw survival. The solid front axle found on the 4x4 models built up until 1985 is practically bomb-proof. It can handle massive suspension abuse without snapping under heavy pressure. Experienced mechanics know that finding one of these trucks rust-free is like finding pure gold, because it will easily outlast any overly complicated plastic truck rolling off the assembly line in 2026. You do not need an expensive diagnostic laptop to figure out a problem. You just need your eyes, your ears, and some common sense. That level of absolute independence is exactly why these analog machines are quietly vanishing from the used truck market as smart buyers stash them away. If you respect the bulletproof engineering of the classic 22R engine, hit that like button right now so the YouTube algorithm knows to show you more unstoppable trucks on your screen. Coming in at number 4, the 1980 to 1986 Ford F-150. Americans used to buy trucks that worked as hard as they did. Today, buying a new truck means taking out a massive loan for a luxury vehicle that just happens to have a bed in the back. Working men are sick and tired of dashboard warning lights completely shutting down their engines over a tiny computer glitch. Back in the early 1980s, Ford built trucks for farmers and men who needed a reliable tool, not a rolling smartphone. The undisputed star of this generation is the legendary Ford 300 Inline 6 engine. Also known as the 4.9-liter, this power plant is widely considered one of the most durable engines ever assembled on American soil. Forget about the highly complex overhead cams and fragile timing systems modern trucks use today. The 300 Inline 6 uses straight-cut steel timing gears. That means there is absolutely no timing chain or rubber belt to snap and destroy your engine. Both the engine block and the cylinder head are thick cast iron. It features 7 main bearings securing the crankshaft, completely eliminating flex under heavy towing loads.
For a grid-down survival situation, you must specifically hunt for the models built before 1987. In 1987, Ford introduced electronic fuel injection. The 1980 to 1986 models feature a brilliantly simple single-barrel carburetor. There is no electronic control module dictating your fuel pressure. It relies entirely on vacuum, spark, and pure mechanical engineering. If a massive electromagnetic pulse hits the country, this inline six will not even blink. It produces massive low-end torque, allowing you to drag heavy loads without ever revving the engine high. The chassis features a rugged twin traction beam front suspension, which is incredibly tough over brutal terrain. When modern electronics fail, this carbureted beast will keep running on degraded, old gasoline that would instantly destroy a 2026 truck. Mechanics are actively hunting down these specific carbureted F-150s right now because they offer absolute mechanical certainty. They are cheap to buy, incredibly easy to fix, and will not let you down when the lights go out. If you agree that the old Ford Inline 6 is one of the greatest truck engines ever built, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss our next deep dive.
Coming in at number 3, the 1988 to 1994 Ford F-250 and F-350. Heavy-duty trucks used to be truly heavy-duty. Today, dropping nearly $100,000 on a modern diesel pickup means dealing with fragile emissions sensors, complicated exhaust fluid systems, and computer modules that can force your truck into limp mode while you are hauling a trailer. American truck owners are completely fed up with being stranded on the side of the highway just because a digital screen says so. But if you look back just before the computer age took over, you will find the ultimate heavy-duty survival machine. Beneath the massive steel hood of these classic 3/4-ton and 1-ton trucks is the legendary 7.3-liter IDI diesel engine. Built by Navistar International, this naturally aspirated motor is the glorious predecessor to the famous Power Stroke line. The IDI stands for indirect injection. Unlike modern high-pressure common rail diesels that require dozens of computer commands every single second, this massive cast-iron V8 relies entirely on a pure, mechanically driven injection pump. There is no electronic control module whatsoever.
There are no computer chips managing your fuel delivery or timing. All this heavy iron beast needs to run is a simple 12-volt power source to open the fuel shutoff valve. If a massive EMP completely fries your electrical system, you can manually bypass that valve and push start the truck. Once it is running, it will not stop for anything. What makes this exact generation a master mechanic's dream for a major grid collapse is its unbelievable fuel flexibility. Because it uses mechanical indirect injection with lower fuel pressure compared to modern trucks, it can burn almost anything combustible. When the gas stations inevitably run dry, this engine has been proven to run on filtered waste motor oil, old transmission fluid, kerosene, or even used cooking oil. It is loud, it is incredibly slow, and it is built exactly like a freight train. When modern 2026 trucks become permanently disabled by a power grid failure, this analog diesel will keep moving your family forward. It represents a proud era when American engineering prioritized absolute reliability over fancy touchscreens. If you would trust a mechanical 7.3-liter to survive a crisis, drop a comment below and let us know.
Coming in at number 2, the 1984 to 1987 Chevy K30 CUCV. It is incredibly frustrating to watch modern truck buyers spend $80,000 on vehicles that look tough, but are held together by fragile plastic clips and highly sensitive circuit boards. A tiny software update failure can leave a 2026 truck completely paralyzed on the highway. But during the Cold War era, General Motors built a truck strictly for military duty that laughed at the very concept of computers. The Commercial Utility Cargo Vehicle, or CUCV, is the ultimate forgotten survivor. These heavy-duty 1-ton machines were designed from the ground up for the United States Armed Forces to survive a nuclear winter. Underneath the hood sits the naturally aspirated 6.2-liter Detroit diesel V8 engine. This power plant is a masterpiece of pure mechanical simplicity. It utilizes a completely mechanical Stanodyne rotary injection pump, meaning there is absolutely no electronic engine control module anywhere in the vehicle.
In the event of a catastrophic electromagnetic pulse, this military-grade square body will fire right up, while every modern luxury truck is instantly turned into useless scrap metal. It features an incredibly robust 24-volt starting and charging system, heavily reinforced leaf springs, and the practically indestructible Dana 60 front axle paired with a corporate 14-bolt rear axle. You do not have to worry about delicate emission systems or exhaust fluid sensors because they simply do not exist here. This truck was strictly engineered to be maintained in the middle of a remote battlefield, using only basic hand tools. Master mechanics and smart preppers are actively scouring government surplus auctions to hoard these exact models because they represent absolute, uncompromising resilience. When the power grid completely collapses, you want genuine military-grade hardware sitting in your dirt driveway, not a rolling Wi-Fi network. If you appreciate rugged, military American iron that refuses to die, hit the share button right now and send this video to a fellow old-school truck enthusiast.
Coming in at number 1, the 1989 to 1993 Dodge Ram, featuring the legendary first-generation 12-valve Cummins diesel. American truck culture used to respect raw pulling power and engines that could literally outlive the driver. Today, folks are taking out second mortgages to buy 2026 luxury pickups loaded with delicate touchscreens, heated tailgates, and digital sensors that constantly throw check engine lights. It is a sad and frustrating state for the modern working man. But this square-body classic is widely considered the absolute holy grail of off-grid survival. The secret is the massive 5.9-liter inline-6 turbocharged diesel engine. Specifically, these early years utilize the Bosch VE mechanical rotary injection pump. This is the single most important detail for surviving a complete power grid collapse. There is no engine control unit, no digital fuel mapping, and absolutely no complex wiring harnesses to short out during an electromagnetic pulse. The entire fuel delivery system is 100% mechanical. To make this heavy iron beast run, all you need is a single 12-volt wire going to the fuel shutoff solenoid. Even if a massive EMP completely destroys the battery and every single fuse in the entire truck, you can simply pull the solenoid lever by hand, pop the clutch, and this massive inline-6 will instantly roar to life. It features heavy-duty cast-iron construction, gear-driven timing with absolutely no weak belts or chains to brake, and a highly robust Dana 60 front axle on the heavy-duty four-wheel drive models. This truck produces massive low-end torque and will easily run on stale diesel, kerosene, or filtered transmission fluid when the gas stations inevitably shut down. Master mechanics absolutely refuse to sell these first-generation 12-valve trucks because they know it is the ultimate indestructible apocalypse machine that will keep driving long after modern trucks are dead. If you agree that the mechanical 12-valve Cummins is the undisputed king of survival trucks, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss our next episode. Coming in at the end of the day, the automotive landscape has fundamentally changed, and it is not coming back. Finding and maintaining one of these classic rigs is no longer just a hobby or a wave of country nostalgia. It has become a highly intelligent financial decision. Let us be completely honest. Owning a truck that is 30 or 40 years old does come with real challenges. You will deal with hunting down old parts, fixing worn seals, and fighting rust. But when you compare those minor headaches to a $90,000 debt on a 2026 pickup that can be bricked by a single software failure, the choice is crystal clear. If you value honesty in the truck market and want to keep your pickup on the road, join our community. Drop a comment below and let us know which of these legendary models is sitting in your garage right now. Remember, a real truck serves the man behind the wheel, not the computer chip inside the dashboard.